This is Shirley from Holistic Transformations Massage, also known as Jolly from Jolly's Healing Touch. Hope all is well with you today. This is a great time to focus on self-healing, and essential oils are a great natural tool for that. So I have this box. I just ordered my Thieves home cleaning kit. I am so excited about this. I'll read to you what's inside the box. The ingredients in the box are the Thieves Household Cleaner, the Thieves Essential Oils Blend, Young Living Citrus Fresh Essentials Oil Blend, Lemon Essential Oil, Pine Essential Oil, and Purification Essential Oil. And all of these products are made with 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils. So I just want to open this up and share with you what's in this awesome box, because once I got it, I was super excited. I was excited to get it, but once I got it, oh my god, look at this bucket. Oh my god, look at this bucket. And it has, I don't know if you can see, it has the Young Living on it. Can you see that? You see the reflection of my house. But anyway, it has the Young Living, and it's great that it is stainless steel, because you don't want to put essential oils in plastic, because essential oils leach out toxins and chemicals from the plastic into your solution. So you don't want that. Yeah. So this bucket is a great way to use essential oils and water for cleaning and stuff. So, and there's other ways too we can use this bucket, and I will share that with you in upcoming videos. One of the ingredients in here is Thieves. This is the cleaning solution. I'm excited about this because a lot of our cleaning solution are made with a lot of toxins and things that are not good for you. And when I clean the bathroom, after a while, I have to open all the windows because I get headaches, and it's a lot of toxins I'm breathing in by using Clorox and things like that. But this, using natural essential oils of lemon, rosemary, clove, lemon, lime, these are so good for getting rid of viruses, getting rid of bacteria, getting rid of microbes and pathogens. So I'm excited about this product because one capful of this with 30 capfuls of water is an absolute great degreaser to use for clean. So this will go a long way. In the back, there's instructions on how you can use it and how you can use it and mix it in water to make it stronger or lighter for whatever else you may need. So that's that. I'm excited about this too. I know it's simple, but it's hard to find a good spray bottle and glass. Again, I want to use glass or this stainless steel with my oils because plastic bottles are toxic with essential oils. Yeah. So, this great brown glass bottle, spray bottle, which has a great spray. Oh my God, it's awesome. So this is the second thing that came with it. Move this over. So, then I got this pouch. I love this. Yeah. Can carry my essential oils, this pouch, open it up, and I got this awesome cloth to clean with. And it's so nice that I might not use it to clean with right now. I might use it for other things. But you do get this awesome cloth for cleaning. And let me see if I can open this up so you can see the oils. And these essential oils come in this kit all together. I mean, at a great price. So, and I'll show you what's in the essential, like what the essential oils are. So we have, hold them out. Purification. Purification is an awesome essential oil. It smells great. I use it. It's a blend. I use it to clean. I clean my counters, my floors. It has a wonderful scent to it. Again, these oils are non-toxic, so they're great for kitchen counter services and things like that. Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh is excellent. I put a few in my laundry. When I do my laundry, I put a few drops in. I put a few drops in the garbage. If it starts to smell, I put a few drops in the corner. Just to get a nice fresh smell, and it's awesome to diffuse. And on an upcoming video too, I will talk about diffusing oils and how beneficial they are. Thieves. I could do a whole video on itself by itself for Thieves because the history behind this is awesome. And this oil is great for so many issues. Antiviral, antimicrobial, antibacterial, yeah? Then we have pine oil. Honestly, I'm still learning about pine oil, so I will learn more information and share that with you if you are interested. Happy to have that. And last, but definitely not least, lemon. Lemon has been an ingredient in healing a lot of different issues and ailments. And cleaning and cooking, and lemon is just awesome. So that's another essential oil that comes in this kit. So all together we have our bucket, we have our cleaning solution, we have our spray bottle, we have our carrying case for the oils, yeah. We have our cleaning rag, and we have these awesome essential oils. So in the few coming videos, I will be sharing more information of essential oils and how they benefit you. I will take the time to talk about one oil or one product at a time and go in detail and how to use it. If you have any questions or if you want more information, please feel free to contact me. Again, Shirley Julian. My email is holistictransformationsmassage@gmail.com. You can also call our office, our home office, at 912-412-4503. And always feel free to go on our website and check out the oils and get more information. The website is myйл.com/holistic transformations with an S. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you found this beneficial. I'm so excited about my products and I've already started using them. If you need more information on ways to stay healthy naturally, please feel free to contact us. If you're interested in essential oils and their benefits, please feel free to contact us. Again, thank you so much for your time and have a wonderful day.